Good afternoon, everyone. Respected judges, my worthy opponents, and the members in the audience. Today I stand before the to address the crisis that strikes at a very foundational of our republic legal system. Today's topic, the false witness. It's not just merely a piece of historic or rhetoric. I'm sorry for this. Rhetoric topic to be debated in our academic circle. I think it's a bleeding reality of our adversarial justice system. In a courtroom, when the entire edifice of the truth rests upon the shoulder of the oral and documentary evidence, but what happens? When the pillar of the edifice of the truth builds on the deliberate lies, when a witness willingly tries to fabricate the testimony under the oath, it's not just a minor fraction against the opposite party. It is the act of treason of truth itself, treason of the against of the truth itself. Today, I'll put the forth that our system should shift from being the passive recipients of the evidence to the real truth defender of the evidence. Though our India is a secular country, but still I would like to mention the words number 2.7 of the Smriti that na dadati hi saksam na dadati hi ye saksam paritranaya naradham sa kota saksam papais tulya chaiba dadenam chaiba hi. What it means when you translate it at the most of the men, despite of knowing the truth, when he doesn't give the evidence, when he doesn't give the true evidence, it means that is considered as sinful and liable against the false witness in the courtroom. Most of the time we frequently boost our majesty of law, but let us face an uncomfortable truth that in India, the major phenomena of hostile witness, which arguably is the greatest paralyzer of criminal justice system. I would like to mention that which is newly implemented under the criminal codes under the section of 227 and 228, which is embedded in the chapter 13 of BNS. It gives and it severely penalizes giving and fabricating the false evidence. Now, the Supreme Court held that perjury has become a way of life in the courtroom. And there are some reforms I would like to mention in the short span of time. There are three things I think it will be a systematic reform in our false witness. The first one would be the aggressive implementation of the protection of witnesses, and the second one will be the summary punish to the perjury. To conclude, I would like to tell that we should remember what is at stake. We should not tell that it should be a way of life only. Thank you.